Hi folks, this is Jay Hurst again, and it's just freezing cold outside today. I don't know what happened to the warm weather we were having. So I'm inside here. I'm inside a new house. It's a Hixton model. Seekis is a custom builder, and we're going to take a little look around, real fast tour of this place. The Hixton model, one of the things that sets it apart is that we bumped out the front here a little bit. And we have this set up as a study. It's staged as a study, but the nice thing about it is this is actually a bedroom. Or it could be a bedroom. So you have a full bath here. And a lot of people want that first floor bedroom. So we're gonna take a little tour back through the house here. Got a formal dining room and wainscoting and a little bit of a window seat over there. We come further back. The entire back of the house here is like a big great room with a kitchen. Huge area here. Sits on the lot really nicely. Got a nice garden behind it. We're right in the middle of Vienna here, right off of Lakewood. As we come in here, we have a breakfast nook, if you will, informal dining area, nice large kitchen, butler's pantry right here with a wine fridge. Actually, the way we have this set up, you have a wine fridge and like a beer fridge or whatever you want to have in that one. Slightly upgraded kitchen here, quartz countertops, great light fixtures. And then right on the back here, right off of the kitchen, screen-in porch. Probably one of the most sought after features right now is, the screen-in porch, maybe aside from the study on the front there. You come in here, as we're heading towards the garage, there's a nice big two-car garage out here. Come in out of the snow, come directly into the house, have a nice mudroom here. And then the stairs. Sorry for the handheld camera here, but we're just doing a quick tour. As soon as we come up, we have the primary suite here, nice tray ceiling. And we have an amazing dressing area back here. We have his and hers closets either side, or I guess it could be hers and hers. And then we come in here to the primary suite's bathroom. Nice private oasis, freestanding tub, 24-inch marble tile, separate water closet, enormous walk-in shower, 2 shower heads, and a seat. Of course, we have 2 sinks, lots of natural light throughout the house. The way you would test that is just go through the house, turn off all the lights, and I can guarantee you that this home will have a lot of natural light. Come back here to the front. We have another bedroom. We have the upstairs laundry and 2 more bedrooms down here. Great features of these bedrooms, they all have ensuite baths. And where we sit on the lot here, nice and private. So we're gonna run real quick downstairs. Oh, and here we are down here in the lower level, and there's no lights on. Let's turn some lights on. This is all carpeted down here. You could do with this what you want. We basically leave this up to you, what you want to do with it. Mechanical space. We have a full bath down here and a bedroom. A lot of people will decide to put a bar area in over here, entertainment, or you could put a home theater. That's it. Let's head out.